FII selling dragged markets for a second consecutive day where benchmarks shed 1% in trade. The Nifty gave up the 10,700 mark amid sell-off in banks, oil, gas and metal stocks. The Sensex also shed almost 400 points but managed to hold on to that 35,500 level. Mid-cap succumbed to selling pressure post-lunch and ended with cuts of 150 points. The Bank Nifty gave up 27,000 as it shed nearly 250 points. Surabhi Upadhyay is here with us now with a wrap of today's trading action. Surabhi, day 2 for the bears.
Well, yes, second day of weakness persisting on the street, lots of selling pressure and the indices ending at the lows of the day. That really sums up what happened. The weakness was coming in right from the global markets, right from the morning when we got to know of the scale back in the iPhone guidance from Apple. And a lot of that simply kept on sort of going through. So if you talk about today's action, there are really no safe havens. It was across the board selling on the sectoral side of it. I'll give you the stock list to quickly run through what I'm saying. So Eicher Motors, second day running, there's so much of pressure on this stock. It's lost about 13% this week itself. Today, again, 4.5% gone from Eicher Motors. IOC and HPCL as a rebound in crude oil prices took center stage. These stocks were also on the weaker side. With global growth concerns, there's no let-up in the selling on metal stocks. So whether it is a ferrous name like Tata Steel or JSW Steel or Vedanta or Hindalco on the non-ferrous side, there was all-round weakness. Other major heavyweight drags included names like Reliance Industries, HDFC, L&T. Largely speaking, banks were also on the weak foot or the back foot today. So ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, Axis Bank lost between 0.5% to about 1–1.5%, depending on which stock you're looking at. The market breadth was also negative, though relatively speaking, the mid-cap index was better off than the Nifty or the Sensex. The key losers included, again, look at the auto weakness that's really persisting. So Ashok Leyland, again 2% lower, and pressure on a Shriram Transport Finance, the financiers to the auto space as well. That stock was down today. Page Industries and Jet Airways were the other key losers. The only gainers included, of course, Bank of Baroda. The market has taken a very positive view of this merger. And some excitement on sugar stocks. So Balrampur, Dhampur, even Praj Industries were up and about. But finally, tomorrow's day becomes very important because we are now approaching very critical support levels on the Nifty. We are close to the 26th December low of 10,534, also close to the 50 DMA. So let's see if the bulls can take an upper hand as we close out trade this week.